Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to edit a sheet on Canva step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll learn how to customize, edit, and download your own sheet easily. So, let's begin first. Open the Canva website by going to canva.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the option called Sheet. Now, click on the Sheet option. You'll see different sheet templates. Now, choose any sheet you like. After that, click on Customize Template. Now your selected sheet will open in the editor. Here, you can edit everything according to your need. For example, you can change the date. Just click on it and type a new date. You can also add the recipe link in the section provided. Next, you can edit the category field to match your data. Then you can edit the Paid To section and write the person or company name. You can also modify the description area to explain the purpose or details. And in the Amount section, type the amount you want to display. At the bottom, you'll see the total amount. If you want, you can edit that too. Once all edits are done, it's time to download your sheet. Click on the Share button in the top right corner. Then click on Download. Now again, click on Download, and your sheet will start downloading automatically. And that's it. You've just learned how to edit and download a sheet on Canva. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.